Hi, welcome to Hard with the Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Motorola Moto 40 Neo device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this smartphone. Firstly, you need to disable all unnecessary features. For example, if you have enabled the Wi-Fi and mobile data, you need to disable one of them. Because if both type of networks are enabled, they are both consuming your battery power. Disable Bluetooth if you don't need it right now. Disable Dolby Atmos if you wanna hear audio. Disable newbie share if you have enabled. Disable hotspot. Disable I can't see location services. Of course, it will be better if you will disable NFC, but sometimes you just need to disable location services. To do that, you just need to disable it. If you don't have it in the notification panel, click on the pencil button, then scroll down, find your location services, drag it to the upper part of your screen, and go back. And then click location services and click close. Cool. The next step to improve battery life is to open the settings and find your display settings. Find display settings and here find your dark theme and just enable it. So dark theme is very useful on Motorola 40 Neo device, only just because Motorola 40 Neo has LED screen and in black places screen is just disabled. So in black places screen is not consuming battery power and sometimes it's more than half of whole screen. So cool, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.